When your garage door needs expert attention in Edmonds, Washington, trust the professionals at Edmonds Garage Door Repair. We specialize in spring replacement, opener installation, cable repair, and full garage door maintenance. Whether it's a noisy door, a broken panel, or a system upgrade, our skilled team delivers reliable results every time. Serving homeowners throughout Edmonds, Washington, we take pride in offering quality workmanship and dependable service you can count on. Discover why locals choose Edmonds Garage Door Repair for all their garage door needs. Visit EdmondsGarageDoorRepair.com today. That's EdmondsGarageDoorRepair.com, your key to smooth, secure operation.